welcome to your Wake Up Women series. I'm Priyanka Bhatia from Women on Wealth, and what we do is we help women take charge of their finances. In the Wake Up Women series, we come and talk about various women that we are speaking with and bring about their stories. Some anonymous, and some women come on their own to share their stories with you. Today, I'm going to talk about a woman that I have been speaking with. And she was sharing how she cannot take our paid programs. And I said, why? Well, lockdown and the pandemic, the crisis has impacted a lot of us. It impacted her also. Her husband lost his job. And she was saying how she cannot take up the paid program because her husband has lost the job. And they're 40 years old, and it made me wonder that even if they had about 15 years of working life, how come they have not accumulated even a little bit to be able to relax? Because uncertainties will show up in life. They are the must, they are the necessity, they will happen. So we can't expect that anything will happen and life will happen without uncertainties. It just can't be. So life happens to us and life happens to everybody, and it made me wonder that just one uncertainty hit them and they've lost they've lost their income and their confidence in doing anything. They're just restricting themselves, restraining themselves for doing a small course that can build skills for life. And it got me present to how when we are earning money, we actually just spend it, and most of us live in the moment without ever believing that a time can come where we do not have an active income and we would want to maintain the same quality of life and peace of mind. So, yeah, and my piece of advice for this woman was to build skills, financial skills, spending skills, saving skills, investment skills. Because these are the skills which are missing in our school and college system. And if we don't work on these skills, we're only going to live moment to moment, paycheck to paycheck, at max have some savings and yet be uncertain, and yet be scared when an uncertainty hit us. And if we accumulate a little bit, I was thinking to myself, had she accumulated say 30 lakhs or 1 crore, which is not very difficult in today's environment with the kind of new age opportunities that we have as women, she would have felt secure today. She would not have to think about each expenditure of hers. But yes, to do this, to reach this stage, she would have to actually give up on a little bit of immediate gratification. She would have to build investment skills and be able to generate a rate of return which is higher than inflation, so that her money is actually growing for her to reach her goals. So this is my wake up story for each of you. If you're listening, know that you're listening because this story had to reach you and you had to wake up to this new India and be the new age woman who actually can take charge of her finances and come out of such situations. I am clear you guys would have not noticed that the hardest hit in this pandemic are women. You must have gotten many, many lessons, but this is one lesson which I have often seen women miss. That the women are the hardest who are hit in this pandemic, because if the husband lost the job, she's the one who has to magically create that money so that the bills can be paid off, the children can be educated, and more can be done. So if women are the hardest hit, and financial skills are something which have been constantly missing because most women have not mastered money, it is critical that we wake up to finances and we actually take this on. I trust you received your lesson and your message for today. If anything, could you start typing on what you've learned today? I know many of you watching, many of you are watching us live. Could you start typing, what are you getting? What are you learning? I can see a lot of you, Shweta, Sneha, Thivansi, Spurti, Suchitra. Start typing, guys. Sonika, what are you guys getting? Swarda, are you here? Any lessons that you're taking away? Anything that you are getting for yourself from this conversation? Hey Gauri, hi, welcome. I'm waiting for some of you to share what you're getting, what you're learning, what you're taking away for your own life. One of my mentors once said that knowledge and great systems are being spread across. Are you willing to learn and take away those systems with you? Yes, Gauri, got that. Thank you, Gauri, for sharing. Hey, Hira, welcome. Bhagya. Bhagya is sharing that she learned that women must start to invest. Yes, Bhagya. Not only start to invest, Bhagya, actually spend well. Learn to do that. Learn to save more. Be more fulfilled in their life so that wealth and abundance can get created, because that is critical to reach your goals. So that's the important part. Shweta, yes, we got to begin on financial security. And these are the times where that security really counts. Because this woman and her response would be very different if she would have been securing her finances all this while. If she would have been preparing herself for any uncertainty, any emergency that can come. And the most certain are death and inflation. So uncertainty and inflation are going to continue. Who do we need to be and what do we need to do? Swarda, she's sharing that what she's taking away is that it is never too late to start. Got that? Thank you guys for listening. On this note, I'm closing the live. I trust this video wakes you up and each woman up to her finances. If you are our wake up woman, do type in the chat waking up, because we want to make 50 lakh women wake up to their finances by the year 2030. And it can't happen with a few waking up now and waking up many others in this journey. On this note, okay, Bhagya is saying thank you, Priyanka, for helping women become aware about their money. Bhagya, it is an absolute privilege being able to make this difference, this contribution to our generation and the generations coming ahead. I really think we owe it to them. So to the new age women, 3 cheers, and I close this live with lots of love. Keep coming back, growing in your finances and waking up to your finances. Take charge.